This is the streetcar of Seattle. We have only 2 such streetcars. This is one of them. Both of them are hardly 5 kilometers each. They are very neat and clean. If you see,
Okay.
they're very neat and clean and not very crowded. You can see it's only just 2 of us right now. And then you see the buildings.
Yeah, it's very huge.
Such a neat and clean place.
This is in Central
Seattle, downtown
Yeah,
Seattle.
yeah,
It is
yeah.
called
Yeah, Virginia Street.
Washington State.
Washington Street.
Virginia
Okay.
is different. Virginia is on the eastern side.
Yeah. Okay.
is
Okay. This is Washington Street.
Yes.
Okay.
Just see how neat and clean it is.
Very clean. I've never seen such just a
Neat and clean, systematic.
Yeah. It's highly systematic. Everything is pakka regularized. Cars
And these are very old street trams.
Yes,
Very
yeah.
old street cars.
This goes up to
Up to Lake Union.
Lake Union. 5 kilometers.
Hardly 5 kilometers.
Okay.
But just see the tall buildings.
Yeah. Excellent. Fantasy.
Fantastic.
Yeah.